It is great to have you back here at CoinSuri's channel. Which of these options do you prefer? Please people cast your vote in the community option. Option A XRP. Option B Ripple. Option C SEC Ripple lawsuit approaches pivotal milestone amidst unprecedented calm. Users' reactions to XRP. Ripple was victorious in a dispute brought forth by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, after a year of litigation. Two of these victories include decisions that rejected the SEC's request for an interlocutory appeal and rulings that exempted XRP from being classified as a security. Also, as 2024 came to a close, the SEC dropped all allegations against Chris Larsen, Ripple's executive chairman, and Brad Garlinghouse, the company's CEO. Since fewer people are talking about it on social media, it might be assumed that nothing is happening. By taking a gamble, Fred, the XRP community pays attention to the remarkable lack of controversy around the topic, as brought to light by Pillai, a lawyer and participant in the Ripple case. The damages discovery procedure is expected to wrap up on February 12. Considering how intense this case is, the SEC's failure to submit discovery motions thus far is astounding. In the next week or two, I should see one. The third party in question is Frederick Barley, as of January 8, 2020, at the age of 44. This is also the opinion of Jeremy Hogan, a boozyist and XRP specialist attorney who has expressed his disappointment with the shockingly low level of public participation. Risk, the abnormally low level of action in the litigation has Polly wondering if the SEC is turning its emphasis on other programs or shakedowns. The decision that some sales by institutions constituted sales of securities has accelerated the key date. In light of this decision, the Ripple litigation has entered the remedial phase, during which the court will decide on the remedies to be applied. Keep this in mind. In light of the seriousness of the ongoing legal battle, the conclusion of the discovery process concerning remedies on February 12, 2024, will be the next significant milestone in the action. Rispoli, a lawyer, is surprised that the SEC has not filed discovery motions yet because he thinks they should do so at least 1 week prior to the deadline. He has two possible outcomes in mind. After the SEC has obtained and reviewed the discovery it is seeking, the parties will finalize their agreement. If this doesn't happen, as Rispoli predicted, the discovery process might continue until the remedies briefing ends on April 29. In early summer, with an ultimate target year of 2024, the State Securities and Exchange Commission is likely to issue a decision regarding the resolution of its experienced litigation. The Digital Large Cap Fund, which is one of Grayscale's most popular investment offerings in terms of AUM, has reinstated XRP. Just to add insult to injury, is the launch of an XRP exchange-traded fund in the works? Wall Street financial expert Linda Jones has brought attention to XRP's promising future, and now everyone is concerned that the asset's value could skyrocket. While the cryptocurrency payment startup continues its legal battles with the SEC, we will also look at why April 2024 will be a landmark month for Ripple and XRP. We will keep this in mind as we continue our inquiry. Finally, the pre-IPO investment platform Link has identified trends that 2020 IPO hopefuls like Ripple should keep in mind. I shall explain each of these inclinations with your assistance. There was a news release that went out earlier today. The digital asset investing business provided this information. A news release from the digital asset investing firm went public on Wednesday night, detailing a quarterly rebalancing of numerous investment products offered by Grayscale. The disclosure was highlighted in the announcement. Ethereum, the Grayscale smart contract platform, and Grayscale digital large cap funds are a few instances of these goods. Notable coins featured in the Grayscale digital large cap fund, which was established to provide investors with exposure to a basket of the most valuable cryptocurrencies according on market capitalization, were Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon Card, Dano, and Avalanche, as mentioned in the release. In their most recent announcement, the corporation acknowledged that they sold off some components to receive additional Avalanche and XRP tokens, which are part of the quarterly rebalancing move. Shortly after, XRP made a triumphant return to the fund, eventually displacing Matic Money. Today, XRP holds a market value of 2.54%. The fund in question has a market capitalization that is slightly lower than Bitcoin 69.1, Ethereum 21.9, and Solana 3.6. Among all financial products on Grayscale, the DDLC fund ranks third in terms of assets under management, with an astounding $378.04 million. In case you forgot, Grayscale held XRP in the fund prior to the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple and its employees. However, on January 4, 2021, Grayscale deducted XRP from the fund following Ripple's citation by the regulatory agency for allegedly participating in unregistered securities offerings. The result was a precipitous drop in the value of XRP and heavy selling of the cryptocurrency. The company used the money from the sale of XRP shares to boost its fund assets, even though the legal battle is still ongoing. Since the historic judgment in July 2023, which deemed XRP, requests to restore the asset have been flooding Grayscale. Although these demands did not arise until after XRP Grayscale was relisted by major US-based exchanges like Kraken and Coinbase, it is important to mention that XRP is not a security. In its latest press statement, XRP reaffirmed that the ruling was a factor in its eligibility to join the GGLC fund. Are exchange-traded funds still able to hold XRP? The most recent news has XRP backers jumping with joy, and some are even looking forward to the possibility of a spot exchange-traded fund, ETF, linked to XRP. Even though it is the only alternative cryptocurrency with US legal certainty, XRP has gotten relatively little attention, while renowned asset managers have been evaluating Bitcoin and Ethereum as possible spot ETFs. The industry at large has been wondering why major asset managers like BlackRock haven't been making strides to establish an XRP spot ETF. A fraudulent Black Rocket Shares XRP ETF was exposed in November of last year, leading to a spike in the price of XRP. Additionally, the value of the tokens decreased upon discovery of the counterfeit products. Viewers may observe how CNBC covered the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP when Grayscale sponsored a crypto watch display on the network in the past. The speculation around the sale of an XRP trust by an exchange-traded fund that expects Grayscale to arrive in January 2021 intensified in response to the SEC's lawsuit, when the investment firm re-added Bitcoin to the DDLC fund. According to industry experts, a lot of people are eagerly anticipating the launch of an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that will hold XRP. Nonetheless, the company has made no indications on the existence of such a product as of this writing. Regarding the upcoming scene in the movie, we will delve deeper into this topic. If you want to leave a comment, you should subscribe to our channel first. Goodbye for now.